We're doing it. I guess we're doing it. Top 5 animes for beginners. Here we go. Well, first thing you got to look at is subs versus dubs, right? You can do it in Japanese with subtitles. You're going to do it with English voice acting over it. I think they're both good at different times. I recommend, if you want to do it the authentic way or the recommended way or the way most anime viewers prefer it, is with subtitles. If you can get through it in the beginning and stick through it, I think you'll thank me later. To be clear, there are some good English voice acting out there, so we'll talk about that too. So for those that are new and have never watched anime or just trying to get into other ones, I got a list for you. Here we go. Number 5, Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood. I think it's incredibly good. It's on most people's top 5 list. Usually it's number 1. I disagree. It's a very good show. I highly recommend it. Definitely check it out. Tokyo Ghoul. You might have heard of it. It's very popular. I think it's a great introduction into the door for anime watchers. Very interesting. Touches kind of on vampires. Kind of touches on a little bit of romance. Obviously a lot of fighting, a lot of action stuff. So if you're kind of just trying to get your foot in the door, watch a short show that covers a lot of the bases, this is the one for you. And Demon Slayer. I love Demon Slayer. I can't say enough good things about it. It's a very short show. It got Anime of the Year. It's doing incredibly well. They just launched a movie that hit #1 in the box office over the last year in the United States. First movie to ever do it that's not from Hollywood to top the box office records for the year. Pretty amazing. I highly, highly recommend it. Can't say enough good things about this show. Castlevania. Originally, I was not a fan of the show. However, the English dubbing on this show is really good. I actually recommend it in English. I think it's really solid. It's incredibly interesting, and for those that maybe don't have all the anime sources, Crunchyroll, Anime Labs or whatever, you have Netflix, and this is on there. So touches basis with that, right? Demon Slayer is also on Netflix, and I think Fullmetal Alchemist is also on Netflix. So far so good on this list. Tokyo Ghoul is on Hulu, by the way. Jujutsu Kaisen. Oh my lord. Anime of the year this year. Demon Slayer was last year. Wow. Anyone that watches anime knows this show is lights out. Incredible. I don't know. There's no words. There literally is no words. The animation's on point. The comedy's on point. The fighting is incredible. If you love, a little bit of violence and gore in your life, some badass, some badass interactions, you can't beat this show, man. You really can't. It's the show right now. So if you want to be hip with it, you want to be able to keep up with what's going on in today's, best animes, for sure check out Jujutsu Kaisen. You will not regret it. I'm going to keep this brief. My name is Sasuke Avenges. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that jazzy shit. I stream on Twitch at Sasuke Avenges. The link's down below. You can catch me at Sasuke Avenges on Twitter. If you want to hit me up and ask me some questions or just talk, feel free to hit me up on Steam. Also Sasuke Avenges. I love you guys. Peace, love, and positivity. You already know the vibes. I love you guys. I'm out here.